Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Feeding. When kittens are 4 weeks old, it's time to start getting serious about the weaning process. Once the kittens can eat wet food, start mixing formula with dry food, too. When the kittens are eating solid food like this, make sure you always provide them with water.
Take our lead.
The 4th week at 4 weeks, kittens are sturdy on their feet and playing with each other, toys, and people. By now, Darling, Denby, Corduroy, Tweed, and Wembley look like fluffy, miniature versions of their mother.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.